y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a different type of review. This is a photography review and equipment technology review. I do these from time to time, very rarely, but I get questions about my lighting and all of that good stuff, and this is the perfect opportunity to tell you about this amazing company called MountDog. And they are who sent me my ring light. I've been using it religiously. I've had it for a while, but I honestly just wanted to get a feel for how it actually works, how well it works, not just use it for a couple of months, because a lot of those lights and technology and equipment and lighting and stuff, you use it for a couple of months and it stops working. I know because I've ordered several things from Amazon that have stopped working. So being able to use it consistently for the past multiple months has allowed me to fully do a review for you and tell you that their product actually works. It actually holds up. And it's well worth the price. You get a lot for your money. This is the company, MountDog. First and foremost, y'all know I do travel. I love this because it comes with this cute little traveling case that can hold your entire ring light, tripod, the remote, the stand, everything. And it's just nice and slim. Very easy to travel with. Also, if you don't like the top handle, it comes with a longer adjustable crossbody strap or shoulder strap, which is super handy. I don't always want to carry things in my hands, and this is perfect. So I'm gonna show you everything that it comes with. Well, first I'll tell you everything it comes with, then I'll show you as I'm telling you. It's an 18-inch LED ring light with 3 phone holders, a tripod stand, and then 2 Bluetooth remotes. I've never used the remotes before, so I'm not sure how those work. I've always just pressed the button on the back, sat down in front of my camera and started filming. But it is definitely in there. I'll show those to you because I have them in here. These cute little red remotes. Basically, you can take your shutter with them, and it works with iOS and Android. That top button is for iOS, excuse my nails, they're disgusting. And the bottom button is for Android. Has simple instructions in here, battery operated, so easily replaceable, not expensive either. Also, there's these, this doesn't go in here. There's these phone holders. So in the event you want to use your ring light with a phone, you can definitely do that because it comes with 2 tripod stands, which is super handy to use for your phone. They're also flexible. So if you need to bend them around, down, do an unboxing, those types of videos, reviews, close-up shots, you can do that because these are very flexible, very handy to have. There's an instruction manual that tells you how to put it together. Super handy. Upside down too. Literally super easy. Everything is so easy to do yourself. You don't need to hire a professional to put it together. It's that easy. Here's my other remote. Actually, I have 3 of these. Oh no, it's 2. I just put the other one back in the bag and forgot. So roomy inside. I just like to keep my guide handy and keep everything else in here because when traveling, you never know what you may or may not need. Also, it retails for just under $200, which is super, super affordable for great lighting that's going to last. And I can attest to that because I've used it and it actually lasts, which is super important, especially for us YouTubers. Us YouTubers and people who need lighting. Okay, so now I'm gonna tell you about the benefits and stuff directly from the website of what you could do with this amazing 18-inch LED ring light. So it has 1 hot shoe groove and 1 phone holder. The ring light kit, which is what I got, it has 3 hot shoe grooves. You can put a smartphone, a mirror, and a camera. So if you have one of those cameras where you can't see yourself behind, or if you don't have one of those flip up displays, you can put a mirror up there, which is super convenient. I've personally never done that because my camera has the flip up screen, well, the one I use on here, and I can see everything that's going on. I can see my hair is cropped out and all of that. With the 3 smartphone holders, I actually have 3 of these. Well, maybe this does go with that. I have 3. Sorry, I thought I just threw that in here. I had no idea, but yeah, that goes in here too. So you can use those 3 smartphone attachments. You're probably wondering, why do you need 3?
It's a good question.
You can live stream on multiple platforms at once. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, whatever you're doing. And it has a hot shoe adapter and a 1/4 inch screw for most DSLR cameras. I've personally used it with 2 cameras. Both of them are Sony, by the way. One of them is not, it's a DSLR. It's like a little compact vlogging camera. I've used it with that, and I've also used it with my bigger Sony a7 R3 camera, and it's worked with both. I'll show you too. You know how you screw your tripod and has the screw that sticks up at the top? That's what they're talking about. And then this is the little piece here on the smartphone adapter that screws directly onto that. Super convenient. And you can loosen it and tighten it, which is also convenient. And again, these are flexible. Also, on the ring light, there is a built-in phone charger, right? So while you're live streaming, you don't need to disconnect it. Take it apart and then go plug it up somewhere. There's a built-in USB port back of the ring light to where you can charge your device while you're still live streaming. As long as your ring light is plugged in, as long as your ring light is plugged in directly to the wall, it'll charge. And that's the only way your ring light will work, through AC power. It's also equipped with the AC-DC adapter, which lasts longer than other ring lights with the USB cable. And there are 2 remote shutters, which I showed you. You can take a selfie while you have your camera connected, your phone connected. Press that button. Again, I've never used that because I always just press the timer on my camera to do that. But you have those capabilities as well. Also, game changer for me. I also love the fact that you can make it more or less yellow, which is perfect. Y'all know I like more of a golden skin tone because that's my natural skin tone. I don't have the light on right now, but this is how I like my skin to look when it's dark, when it's low light and all of that. So I want that to remain. I don't want to look washed out or anything like that. So to have those 2 features on a ring light is awesome. If you need it brighter because it's super dark, you can do that. If it's a little dark, not too dark, you can dim it. So trust me, those features are game changers. So this is fully dim all the way. This is getting brighter. That is the maximum brightness. This is the minimum or the maximum coolness. It's getting warmer and warmer. And this is dimming it warm. This is making it cooler dim. So as you see, there are several different features in how you can get it to look based on your environment and all of that. So this is really handy light to have. So now I just wanted to show you guys, sorry if you hear a lot of noise. I have some contractors working in my house. Let's dim this a little bit because it's too dark or too bright. Okay, so I just want to show you the back of the ring light. So there is where you would charge your device if you need it. Here's your power switch. I have some notches on here to where I normally use it so I don't forget. That is how you make it brighter and darker. See that? I'll keep it bright for now. This is how you make it warmer or cooler. Here are your hot shoe attachments. So that is where you would attach your smartphone attachments that the MountDog ring light comes with. That is your power switch right here. This is your AC power, this detaches. And if you want to connect a camera or, you know, your other tripod with your phone or something like that, you could do that. This is also adjustable, so you can flip it around and down however you see fit. So as you see, super convenient. Also, this goes all the way up and down. It is super tall. I have it, you know, kind of eye level right now. That is how I'm sitting and all of that, but you can move this around. You can make it taller, shorter. It's just super nice. And as I mentioned, this also bends. It's hard to do with one hand. Hopefully I don't break it. Oh my God! I know I was gonna do that. But you can flip it sideways. I just want to show you. It has that 360-degree movement. Also, it extends from 33 inches to 79 inches. So you can go super short to super tall, no matter how short or tall you're sitting or standing. Also, 360-degree rotation, so you can bend the ring light this way, that way, or you can keep it directly in the middle, which is what I usually do. So now, I want to show you guys without the light so you can see what my natural light looks like and see how amazingly it changes when I turn it on. So now I'm about to turn it on just so you can see the difference. See what a difference that makes? Super bright. You can see my highlight. I don't look super natural. Like you can see my natural highlights on my face and also my makeup highlight because I put highlighter on. I mean, come on. But you can see what a difference that makes, how much brighter it makes me. And currently, I have my lighting halfway down the middle as far as the dim and the brightening. And then I have my warm tone turned on slightly just to give me more of a warmer appearance. I will now turn it up super bright so you can see how it looks. Turn it down super low. So it's gonna be super bright, super dark, or dim. And then I'm going to do super blue or super cool to super warm so you can see the difference. Let's start with super bright. So that's super bright. Honestly, not much difference to how I normally have it because I normally have my light super bright, almost. So I'm gonna dim it so you can see the difference. So that is what barely there looks like, barely there light looks like. Honestly, very close to my outdoor light because obviously, when you dim it all the way, it's basically essentially turning it completely off. So now I have it just barely lit. Now I have my light super cool. I have it kind of close to this As far as how I normally do it, there's a way to make it way warmer than this, which I'm gonna show you next. But my problem with that is that it makes, if you have a white background, it makes it super off, you know? So I don't really like that in most cases, but sometimes it does work. You will just have to play with it. That's the beauty of this light. You can play with the features, with the settings, and see what works best for you and your environment, time of day, etc. Let's do super warm. Okay, so that's super warm. And as you can see, the wall behind me turned a lot warmer, which tells you that is warm, basically. No way. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. It doesn't look too bad. We'll leave it like this. Let me brighten it a little more though. So you can also brighten it with a warm background. Still look pretty cool. So as you can see, you can change the appearance of your background, of you, your skin tone. Even if your skin looks off from the harsh window light, you can adjust it with this light. That's another reason why I really like this light. So yeah, that is my detailed review for the MountDog 18-inch LED light kit. I love this kit. I've been using it for both of my YouTube channels, on my luxury channel, my beauty channel, and it's worked beautifully. I filmed in pitch black nighttime before, and it just really helped brighten everything up, and I really love it. So I have a link to where you can get it down below. Rate this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss any videos I post. Don't forget to check out my luxury channel, link to that down below as well. Talk soon. Thanks for watching.